Well, this one is definitely not a recipe. Absolutely just went through the fridge and said, hey, what do I need to eat before it goes bad? So the green peppers came out of my garden, the squash came out of my neighbor's garden, and yeah. Colors are so pretty though, right? So all this is green peppers, squash, onion, mushroom, garlic. Look at her making a mess. Green peppers, onion, purple onion, white onion, squash, carrots. And we're going to put this over some pasta and the cream sauce. The trick to sauteing this without oil is a pan that's never had oil in it. So because this pan has never been oiled, we can just add water as we go and let it cook. Something interesting I wanted to tell you about the garlic. I didn't show it to you. I meant to. It's chopped up in there. Is that garlic is an amazing, amazing, amazing food. It can fight cancer. The big trick to the fighting of cancer is that you have to cut it and let it be in there. Why are you running away from me? Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes and let the cancer fighting properties get together and mix and do things, and yeah. And then you can use it. You can use it however you would use it. But if you don't give it that 10 minutes or 10 or 15 minutes, it'll have other amazing properties. It just won't have the same cancer fighting properties. Isn't this so pretty though? Add a little water. You can hear it sizzling. This is a ceramic pan, and again, never had any oil. Just gonna let it steam a little bit and put it over some pasta. I'll be back when it's done. As you can see, it makes its own juices because fresh vegetables and, well, technically squash is a fruit, and so are bell peppers and orange peppers are all fruits technically, but they have so much water in it that they make their own liquid. And I just added some seasoning so that the liquid will be tastier. It smells so good. It smells so good. So all I'm gonna do now is I made some pasta. Let's see, can you see that? I don't know if you can see. Let's move that over. I made some pasta, and the cashew cream that I made, I just put over the pasta. And now I will put my concoction over my pasta cashew cream. Of course, I can add more, but isn't that pretty? And it's so tasty. Bon appetit. Don't forget to make a mess.